Hey, may I ask you a thing that why do you want to learn this language and do you have the strongest reason, strongest why to learn this language? So, if you have the reason, you have the strongest reason that it's most welcome. And if you don't have reason, if you don't know why do you want to learn this language, then more than welcome. You will have to watch this video completely for getting some reasons, because I am going to tell you some reasons here that why you should learn this language. Okay, so if you want to become a good speaker of this language, then you will have to imagine it first, because every success, for the first and very first step you will have to take, that step is imagine. If you can dream, then you will get after some time at an reality. So if you want to see yourself as a good speaker, then you will have to listen. Some speakers means you will have to be a listener. But now, why do you want to learn this language? So let me tell you that 53 countries had chosen this language as an official language, and more than 400 million people use this language as the first spoken language. So every one out of five persons are speaking in this language. If they are not able to speak in this language, at least they can understand. So if we want to travel, if we want to get a job, if we want to be confident, if we want to be recognized as a global identity, then we will have to learn this language. But for that, what should we do? We will have to be passionate about it. We will have to get the one virtue, that is patience. If we have the patience, if we have the courage, if we have the passionate, then we will learn this language obviously. Because see, whenever we want to go abroad, and if we don't know this language, then why and how can we handle that situation? If we want to go, if we want to enjoy the flight journey, then we will have to know this language. Because I think many others and many more people are talking in this language. If you are sitting in the aeroplane, you will find many people are talking in this language. You will find English newspapers, you will find English news, English and English everywhere. If you want to get closer to Englishman cultures, any other country's culture, you will have to learn this language. Because see, one more thing that see, in our India also we have this official language, and whenever we want to clear any civil services examinations, whether it is state PCS or union, we will have to get good command over this. Because in the UPSC, in JPSC, BPSC, MPSC, and any other state PCS, do you find any rank holder, any first rank or second, third, fourth, and till 10, 15 ranker? Do you find any Hindi language students? If you want to get good rank, then you will have to get good command over this. I don't know why, but it's the sad reality, or maybe you can call it reality or sad reality, good reality, whatever you want to say. But it is the necessity of ours. We should learn this language. Because if you are doing a job if you are a job holder, and if you are sitting in your chair and you are serving the people, and if you are dealing people, and if any people, any educated people, and any person comes to you and say in English and talk to you in English, and you will feel ashamed, then why? Oh, I am sitting in the chair, I am serving him, I am in the position, and still he can speak better English than me. Then you will feel ashamed, you will feel bored, and many other things that situation will make, and will feel that is an awkward situation that you didn't and you don't ever want to face that. So I think to cut short we will have to learn this language for making our life easy, for feeling the luxurious life, for going any abroad, for getting good kind of job, for getting selection in the civil services examinations, SSC and banking and any other. Because if we are not giving any importance to it, then we will not get any good opportunity to get good thing in our life. So maybe I'm wrong, might be I'm right, but I know that I'm sharing my opinion, and it is the reality. So we should learn this language. So for the learning English, you will have to be passionate about it. So go and whatever I told you, check what your reason is. So enjoy learning, and Jai Sri Krishna. Bye bye.